All right, so today we are going to go over the simple circuit system of this game, Dune Awakening, how to get a little bit of automation and storage done for your base. So what we've done, I'm just going to go over how I've set up the circuits, and hopefully it won't be too confusing. So this bottom row of chests right here, these are our dump chests. So people just run along, hit F on each of these chests, and it deposits all the resources they've gathered. Here's the aluminium ore, it goes through, it's just all random ore. So all your dump chests you want to set to circuit 2, and then circuit 1 as the output, okay? And then when we come over here, we've got these. Now we want to have our refinery, so these are our smelters. We set these up to circuit 1, circuit 3. And we're going to do this for everything that refines a product. So 1 and 3. Okay? And the reason we do that is so that these are set to output as circuit 1, which means these can access everything in a chest that has an output of 1, right? And then that will automatically, when smelted, come up here and go into this one, which is 3, and 1 to keep it back in the system for anything else that needs to use these products, okay? Another little trick we've done is if you look at the refinery and we expand it, we have filled it up with 1 Solari in each slot. This is so that when this aluminium ingot gets created, it will not get stored in the refiner. It will immediately get sent to the storage box, as you'll see here in a couple of seconds. Let's just wait, and boom, it's sent off. Now for us, for the offices, we've actually set up this as well, which is our spice refinery. Same sort of thing, but as you'll see, it's on a different circuit. So it's going to put into circuit 6, and we've got a locked chest up here, which only the higher level people can access, which is where the spice gets deposited. So not anyone can use it. It's just for the people making the choices on what we're crafting next for the base. Okay. And then all you want to do for your crafting benches is set them to 1, 1. Okay, that will mean that they will be able to access any of the resources from any of your storage chests. Okay, as long as they're in there, you'll have access. So it's a pretty simple system. It's a little frustrating that it's so simple that I can't really make a lot more fancy stuff with it, but I mean, it's better than nothing. The main takeaway from this is that if you were to queue up, say, 1,000 ingots in here, this machine can only hold like 200 or 300 ingots at a time, and it will stop until you empty the machine. This makes it so it won't stop. You don't have to empty it, it empties itself. You could queue up 10,000 if you've got the resources for it, and it will do that overnight. Okay, so I hope that helped. If it's a bit confusing, just follow along the steps I did with the circuits. So these are your dump chests. So where you're putting all your resources, put them in 2, 1. Where you want your refined goods going, 3, 1. Your crafting benches are 1, 1. And your refiners, 1, 3. Okay? And that's it. I hope you got a bit of useful information out of this, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.